Some people sneeze when they see sunlight. This is called the photic sneeze reflex. About 25% of humans have this trait. It is written in your DNA. Bright light triggers your trigeminal nerve. This nerve sits near your optic nerve. Signals accidentally cross between these two nerves. Your brain misreads light as a nose irritant. A sneeze fires out at 100 miles per hour. Tiny droplets spray up to 20 feet away. The reflex happens within seconds of sun exposure. Scientists call it HO syndrome officially. It has been documented since ancient Greek times. This trait passes directly from parent to child. Your sneeze reflex is partly inherited from ancestors.